What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is another Tech Tuesday video, and today I've got a really great video because I am going to do a live installation and show you how to set up CineStyle on your Canon camera. Let the darkness take control. First of all, I've got everything set up in the background and camera's ready, everything's rolling. Basically, I've got the Canon M50. I'm filming this with the Sigma f1.4 16mm lens. And basically, I'm going to show you guys how you install CineStyle on your Canon cameras in order to get the best possible picture profile. And especially if you're using LUTs on your color grading your footage, this will help you immensely. So I'm going to go through a step-by-step installation from the download process to installing it directly to the camera. So everything's set up over there on my laptop already. So let's head over now and I'll show you guys how to get started. So guys, when you first get onto the Technicolor website, this is what you're going to see. And as I say, I'm going to leave the links down below so you'll be able to go straight to the download page. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the CineStyle page. And you're going to come to the download page, which is linked down below. So as you can see, it tells you all the information about CineStyle, the profile and how it works. And first thing you're going to want to do is scroll down and click on download CineStyle. So the next thing is you're going to want to head over to your downloads folder or wherever you save your downloads. Head over to the folder which will say Technicolor CineStyle, and obviously it'll say the version number afterwards. As of date of filming, the version I have downloaded is version 1.0. The next thing you're going to want to do, again this is all linked down below, is head over to the Canon website and go to the EOS utility page. So from here you can download EOS utility for whichever operating system you're currently on. I am using a Mac OS and I am on Catalina currently, and you can also select your product from the drop down list. So here I've selected my Canon M50, Mac OS 10.15 Catalina, and when you're ready just go ahead and hit the download button, have a quick browse through the terms and conditions, and if you're happy with that, click accept and download. Okay, so the next step, you're going to want to open up the EOS utility that you just downloaded. So go ahead and open up the installer. Once the setup is started, this is a screen you'll see maybe slightly different on different operating systems, but this is how you'll see it on a Mac. And I just want you to go ahead and double click on the install icon there. Now you're going to want to choose your region. So we are in the UK, so I'll be choosing Europe. And I'm going to head over to the UK. Of course, you guys are going to choose your country wherever you're based. Okay, and when everything is finished, you'll see the installation is completed successfully. So go ahead and click next. And when you're ready, finish. And then you can go ahead and close down any installers that you had open. Okay, so once all the installations are done, go ahead and head over to your CineStyle folder where you download it to. And you're going to want to look for the file ending in .pf2. So this file is going to be your color profile. Now the quickest thing to do is to copy the file. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, drag it over to my desktop, and I'm going to leave a copy there so it's easy to find later on. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you connect the camera by the appropriate USB cable to the computer. And this next step is very important. You guys need to make sure that the camera is not in video mode, that it is in a picture profile. If it's not in a picture profile, the camera will not accept the CineStyle profile. So once you've done that, you're going to want to head over back to the EOS utility, click on remote shooting, and that's where you see this box pop up here. Okay, now when the window pops up, you'll see you've got 3 user-defined styles at the top of the page. You can pick any one of these. Any one of these will work. Okay, so go ahead and click on this little icon here to the right. Okay, and from the pop-up window that will show up here, you'll be able to find your profile. So I saved mine to the desktop, so just click on desktop or whatever folder it is. Go ahead and select your .pf2 file and go ahead and click open. Okay, so there you have it. Now you can see CineStyle profile, the copyright there by Technicolor, and the settings is automatically set for the CineStyle profile. So as soon as you go ahead and click OK, that's all done, and CineStyle is now installed on my Canon M50. And as you're following this video, CineStyle should now be installed on your camera. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you thought about this video down below in the comments. So there you have it, guys. CineStyle is now installed on my Canon M50 or your Canon camera of choice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it beneficial to you, and I hope you guys will enjoy using CineStyle. If you did enjoy this video, please do go ahead and click that subscribe button. It will really help support my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. Take it easy. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.